Since there was the expected slowdown after contacting 173, the market will be looking to see if price can hold at or above the 160s and form some bullish retracements towards 200, approximating the 1.618 arc. Though if daily selling volume gets back near 100 million, similar to last Monday and Tuesday, a bearish continuation can take place after a minor pause near the intersection with the spiral and the time zone lines. Then remember to stay tuned and subscribe for coverage of more charts. Here the range around 84 will present a strong barrier to rising price for the rest of the month. It could present a noticeable delay even if there is a bullish continuation. A bearish perspective favors the formation of a triple top pattern under conditions where price closes under the Fibonacci wedge to reapply more pressure on the 75.30 level. If this kind of reversal were to take place, it's possible there could be more than a 50% retracement before price contacts the spiral. Then even if Coinbase stock price can't keep this steeper incline, the mid to low 200s along with the center fan line present significant obstacles even if price were to begin strongly selling off over the next week.